ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Shisngi hadin kilat pathai khubor kila penmi ya ka khubor halor ka jingmudoi jong ki muktiar da ka public interest legislation hakmat ka Ïingbishar High Court halor ka Jingtei jong ka sarkar jilla ya ka entry exit point hakishnong umling ka badan Haribhoi district na ka liang jong usumbot menteri rangba jong ka sarkar jilla uba preston tensong ha ka khatsan trik ukula langkot arazar arphuwei ula ong baka shong ha ka Ïingbishar ban shong bishar halor ka ni ka kam.
We set up this felicitation center, so you understand the meaning of felicitation center. It's for registration. I've already told you that time when we integrated the entry point. So we created a felicitation center for our friends coming into our state. It's not that we don't allow them to come, but it's only for the sake of registration, because by doing that, there is no intention from the government side to harass or to make people inconvenient. Yes, quite a number of points identified by the state government, and I've already told you also that the next point will be constructed very soon, Bajangdoba, and one is Satashara. Felicitation Center is already in place. Right now, we already made it operationalized from Umli. Of course, I think PIL has not yet been admitted. So, it is outside the government's jurisdiction. So, I can't say anything. So, let the court ultimately examine, and then maybe hearing will take place or not. So let us see that. But I think commenting anything on the PIL, I have nothing to say. They filed PIL, and nothing has come up till today. And even the Honorable High Court has not admitted it yet, because now they are in vacation. So I don't have to say anything on that. So we leave it to the wisdom of the judiciary, because everybody has every right to file, be it in the form of PIL or anything, whatever they want. But let ultimately the court interpret and give a final verdict on that.
Halor ka jingkano ba ka Ain Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arazar khatn reu kalong ka jingpen khen ya ka hok jong kinong shong shnong hakari uba preston tensong ulaong hashwaban shna yagani ka ain ka sarkar kaladap ya salok shwa bin pa bin bat ka kinuhon jong kinong sat ain kibalat bin.
In fact, before passing the MRSSA, we have already done due diligence, and also not only that, in consultation with our legal teams. So as far as government is concerned, I think we have nothing to say on that, as I said to you. So let us see, let the court ultimately take a decision on this issue.